Hello there, this is Ben Yost with the Direct Lending Team, and I hope you're having a great day. Hey, today I wanted to go over the 6 easy steps there is to get a mortgage loan. A lot of people make it way too hard. A lot of lenders make it way too hard. Hey, there's really only 6 steps. So I'm going to go over here to my Namby Pamby Bandy, really cool screen share, and shrink me a little bit, which is probably good if you haven't ate lunch yet. And we're going to go over the 6 steps here really quick. Okay, one, you got to talk to me so I can get you started. Okay, so once that happens, I'll explain to you how to get to my easy online app. And so you can do it on the phone, but if you have a computer, it's really super easy. So either way, you can get the application done. Takes about 7, 8 minutes, and it's stuff you probably know right off the top of your head. So you do the application. Then on the second step, you don't even do anything. I do it all there. I just evaluate what you put in the app so that I can get back to you and have a great conversation about what options you might be available to you. And that's this third step here, the easy loan program. We then want to support that because we want to, the object is get you a lender letter and get you out shopping. So we want to support that with some documentation, which is usually like your last 2 years W-2s and maybe last month's pay stubs and a driver's license, and where your assets are coming from. We then want to stick that in the automated underwriting system, and or we can send it to our in-house underwriter, and basically we get you underwritten. So you're getting the idea here. You can be pre-approved in way under 24 hours. Sometimes I do them in 3 or 4 hours, okay, where you're actually approved and go out shopping. So we've gone through the underwriting. The sixth step here is actually optional. So that's where I differentiate myself from a lot of lenders, in that I want you to really know what you're doing when you're out there. I want it to be fun, and that's what it's supposed to be. I don't want you worrying about what closing costs are or escrows. So if you're a first or a second time buyer, I really need you to do this. If you've bought a few homes, then we'll just go over the figures. But basically what I do, so you can come into my office. I'm off 225 and Parker Road, and or we can do a Zoom call. It takes about takes about 15 minutes. If you've already bought homes, we're just going over the figures. But to do the personalized homebuyer seminar for someone who's buying their first or second home, that takes about a half hour to 45 minutes, depending on your questions. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over like closing cost escrows, what's MIP, what's a funding fee, what's PMI, how does all that work? What if you put $1,000 more down or $10,000 more? How will that affect your payment? We'll talk about what points are. Everything you hear about out there, we can go over really quick. Actually, sometimes after the end of this, you might know more than a lot of lenders out there. And anyways, after that half hour, 45 minutes, you're going to really know what you're going to do, and you're going to know what your options are. You'll know the difference between a DPA program, an FHA program, and conventional. Sometimes when you're out there actually looking, you might be set on this program. However, because of the condition of the house, you might need a little bit more money. So you might go with, like, say, a down payment assistance program, so that you have the money to fix it up. But if you know your options, that's how you really save money. And that's the key. Knowledge is how you save money. Okay. So basically, that's what we're going to do there. So basically, you're out there shopping. And like I said, that all can be done within 24 hours. The evaluation can be done a few days after. It's just however you want to work that. So you get the idea. There's 6 steps. There you go. Now, if you want to complete it and add the other 3 steps, so once you're out shopping, you find a home, you go under contract, then you close. There you go. So there's 9 steps to getting a house on your own. I am going to throw a bonus if you stay to the end of this. So basically, I'm going to give you a $650 appraisal credit if your loan amount's over $300,000. If it's below, I cut it in half. But you're going to get basically a free appraisal, for lack of better words. I have to do it as a credit, though, to stay compliant. So you're going to get a credit for an appraisal if you just use me, because that's the first step I have in trying to make you a client for life, so to speak. In other words, the next, when you go to refi and buy your next houses, I want to make sure that if I've earned the right, that you come back to me. Anyways, I hope this came across all right. I hope everything's fine when you're doing this live. It's a little bit different. But anyways, just give me a call. Ben Yost, 303-587-4297. It's right down here. And other than that, I hope you're having a good day. Thank you.